Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Guy with another in the series. Here's a quick tip I wanted to pass along. If you've ever worked on the Edison cylinder phonograph, this is the carriage off an Edison, and it has the push-pull button for raising and lowering the reproducer carriage. And if you've ever taken one of these things apart, you know that it has a little tiny pin that goes through that hole and prevents the push-pull button from actually pulling out of the carriage. So if you have to repaint it or do a repair or swap the carriage or whatever, and you take that pin out, it is a nightmare to try to find something that will go back in there. And it's particularly difficult to get a pin back in there because you're working in such a small space. You have to push a pin through it, then bend over one side, bend over the other side. It's just really, really difficult to do. So I just want to show you this quick tip. What I do is I take a standard twist tie. And these twist ties are just basically laminated paper over a steel wire. So all you have to do is strip the paper off, and this is just a plain steel wire, and you simply stick the steel wire through the hole, doing this with my left hand, so it's sticking out that side. Make a turn and 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 a turn, about 4 turns, and you can see how it lays that wire on there nice and neat. And then you can just take a small pair of snips, in this case I'm using a little tiny pair of scissors, and just clip it off. And as you can see, that is never ever going to come out of there. And the end that's sticking up is really easy to just bend over. And there you have an easy, simple way to hold that push-pull in without having to make a pin. And that's steel wire, so it's never going to wear, it's never going to break, and this is never going to come back out again. But if you need to take it off, you simply grab it with a small pair of tweezers or forceps. It'll untwist from around the shaft, and it comes right out. A really, really simple way to reinstall the push button on any Edison carriage, rather than having to deal with trying to make a pin to go through that hole. Anyway, this works. It works really well, and this is what I do on all my machines. Like I said, it'll last virtually forever. So just a quick tip. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop me an email, thevictrolaguy@gmail.com. I answer all my email. So if you have a question about the Edison phonograph, recording, maintenance, repair, virtually anything, feel free to drop me an email, thevictrolaguy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.